Eric here with Botos Trading Academy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be covering the topic market psychology. You guys, I want to first just start off by saying, why do 90% of traders fail in the stock market? I'm going to get into these topics. I'm going to get into that main topic because I know a lot of you guys are struggling with trading in the stock market. Now, why are you struggling with trading? It's because of your market psychology. It's how you're approaching the stock market. If I were to ask you, in majority of you, if I were to ask, hey, you're entering into this trade, okay? You take a trade and it goes your way. Let's say you're up 20, 30, 40%, but you're not content with the number you're making, right? You're not content with it. The amount that you're putting up on the table, that number right there that you see on your P&L, you're like, I don't like it. I'm just going to say screw it and, hold it. But instead, you could have taken profits, maybe at 30, 40, 50%, but you wanted to hold through the whole thing, right? Because you think, hey, it's going to run 500, 1,000%. But where is the real market presenting itself? This is the top number one thing you need to understand about trading. You need to understand where the market is and how it's presenting it to you. That's the number one biggest thing you need to understand. Where are my actual potential trades going to be, where I can take a highly profitable trade, right? A higher probability of getting into this trade and it going my way. If that being playing calls or puts. Now, you guys, in this video, I'm not going to show you any strategy because the strategy is within your market psychology. How are you approaching the stock market? It's just as simple as it is. We tend to make it so much harder on ourselves. When we see a stock presenting itself, we don't take advantage of it. In most times, we tend to play the news or some type of confirmation that's out there that will maybe just give us the confidence to stay in our trade. If you actually had a plan of entry and exit and you stayed true to your trades and disciplined, you wouldn't be in a position where you'd be adding money to your account. Why do I take the trades that I take? Is it because I'm strictly gambling? Or is it strictly because I'm just having a plan when I take a trade? Now, you guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Majority of times that I take my trades, it's because I have a plan. The other 5% of the time, I'm taking a lotto, gamble, high-risk trade. Some of my members in the group need to hear this. Not all, because you guys are sticking to your plan. But, you guys, I called out the easiest trades in the world. Look at this. Amazon. This was posted 7:08 a.m. Market opens my time at 7:30. Exactly 22 minutes before the market opened. AMD 111.50 or 112.50 for puts. What happened here? Market open at 7:30. We can see it right here, 7:30. What happened? Market pushed up. It pushed AMD up. AMD pushed all the way up to 111.44. This is where level 2 comes in. Are we watching the buyers and sellers coming in? We could have taken an easy trade right here on AMD. I know majority of my traders did because they watched it. They learned the market. They went through Botos Trading Academy's course and the seminar videos just like you should have been doing. Some of you guys I speak to personally, I ask you, hey, did you complete the course yet? Oh, yeah, I'm getting around to it. Did you complete the seminar videos? Yeah, man, I was just so busy with work and so busy, doing nothing, playing Call of Duty. I mean, I had a person literally message me, I missed your Amazon alert. 4 calls at 32.50 because I was playing Call of Duty. I mean, I'm just like, I'm mind blown. You want to take this serious, but at the same time, you're not wanting to put in the work. The slight itty bitty amount of work that you literally all you got to do. You guys don't even want to put in this small amount of work. Right here, you guys. Look at this. Amazon 32.80 for puts. 32.80. Boom. It failed. It went up to 32.85. Could have even had a better fill. Boom. Drowned. Oh, what do you know? I also like Amazon calls at 32.50. Went down to 32.46. And then it flew to the moon. We took this trade live with the team. We took it live, you guys. I'm teaching this in my course. I teach this in my seminar videos. But when I have people telling me that they can't even go through a course that literally will probably take you 6-7 hours, and a seminar, two parts to my seminar videos that will take you 6 hours exactly to go through while you're taking notes, maybe a total of 15 hours in total, I have no respect for it. I have no respect. We need to be responsible with this. We need to stop taking gamble trades in the stock market. The psychology of the market wants you to lose money. They want you to enter at the highest possible moment here because why? Because it already made its big move and it wants you to think, I'm going to run, right? I'm not going to lie. I entered in here too on the break. But that's after I made my money for the day. I entered with a small position. That if this went against me completely and I lost 100%, I wouldn't have cared. I wouldn't have not cared. But some of you guys, hey, I'm entering here and it's going up. I'm going to make $1 million today, and guess what? You end up losing because you win in your whole account or maybe 50% of your account. These are the plays you want to go in 25, 50% of your account and have a set ground stop loss. This is the play you want to go in 25, 50% of your account and have a stop loss set for you. Not these plays. The breakouts, I'm telling you, those are going to ruin you in the long run. The breakout plays is going to ruin you. They will literally take your account from you. Start trading responsible. The market works in a psychological way of patterns and buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers use this method that they don't want people to know about. Trust me when I say this. 95% of my trades go my way because I buy at the tops and I short them. I buy at the bottoms and I go long on them. It's because I'm trading to the principles and a plan that I have. If it goes against me, guess what? I'm cutting my losses. Why are you in a trade holding it balls to the wall? Why? Start trading responsibly, and I promise you're going to succeed in the market. I don't understand. Some of you guys, even people I have on Instagram that shoot me messages, TikTok, they'll say, hey, I only made 200%. Well, I'm sorry you only made 200%. That must have been a terrible day for you. Or I only was up 50%. Well, I'm sorry, you made 50%. You have 50% more money that you didn't have 5-10 minutes ago maybe. There is no other market that is going to present you bigger gains than trading options. Maybe penny stocks. Maybe sports betting. But you know what? When you can understand how the market moves and how to make money consistently by approaching a few simple steps to the market, you're going to be successful. Yeah, sometimes I do play breakouts, and that's fine. That's okay to play breakouts, but why are you playing the breakouts with the full account? That should be a very small minimum amount of money that you're going in. These are the heavier positions you should be playing, right? These levels. Guys, as a trader, I want you to be successful. But you can't be successful if you let your emotions get in the way. You let your emotions get in the way because you're not disciplined. You let your emotions get in the way because you don't have a set plan to get out of your trade if it goes against you. Have a set plan and let's freaking go. You want to make money? Gain the knowledge first. I have traders messaging me saying, oh man, I blew my account because I took a play that didn't go my way. I was up 60, 70%, and then I lost the whole amount. I had a trader that literally messaged me, and I'm not going to present his name on here, but man, he messaged me. He's like, dude, I've been making 50 to 60% on your trade alerts consistently, but I would never take any contracts off the table. I had this trader literally was making 50 to 60%, 100%, 200%, and he wouldn't pull his trades because he would think they would go up 1,000,000%. He think they would run for the day. And guess what? It doesn't work like that. Sometimes it does. The potential is there. But does it mean it's going to be absolutely confirmed that it's going to run 500, 600, 1,000%? No. The potential is there, you guys. Can you make those percentages? Yes. Have I made them? Yes. But if you want to be a responsible trader where you can consistently pull your money out of your brokerage account and pay yourself, You need to apply the principles that I teach you. You need to have a set entry and exit plan. You need to have that. If you don't have it, the market is going to take from you. And trust me when I say that, because it's happened to me before. Stop trading recklessly and start trading smarter. Because I'm telling you, the market is here to give you money, but it's also here to not give you money. It wants you to pull yourself into this greed. I'm so glad I took my profits. You need to tell yourself, I'm so glad I took my profits. You need to stop. The biggest mistake a trader can do is, oh man, I only made 30, 40, 50%. If I would have held my contracts, if I would have held my position, I would have been up 400-500%. Oh man, I could have been rich by now. Sure you could have. Sure you could have made 400-500%. But that 30, 40, 50% that you just made, you didn't have that. Just remember that, you guys. And you're sticking to your plan. Guess what? When you build your $1,000 account to $5,000 by the end of the month, or even by the end of the week, that's going to be $4,000 or $5,000 more you're going to have to trade with. A higher capital, which means you're putting more on the line. Because your confidence, you go based off your confidence. Your reward to risk ratio goes up. You traded with $200, $300 in the beginning. Now you're trading with $600, $700, $800 positions. And guess what? You're still hitting your 30 to 50%. And by the end of 2-3 months goes by, your account is up to $15,000 now. Now guess what? You're putting $2,000, $3,000 on the line, making minimum $1,000 days. That's how you build an account. Now, you're making your $1,000 days with the higher capital. Now you're not stressing to make 100, 200% because you already are there with the amount that you're making. You're there. You're making consistently 30 to 50% every day now. And it's bringing in $1,000+ a day. And take your losses into consideration. Let's say you hit 3-4 days out of the week. You're making $3,000-$4,000. You give back $1,000. Great. You're still up. Start trading responsible. I promise you guys, you're going to become successful as a trader. The market psychology, guys. You need to be able to understand it. That's why I have my course on this. I have my seminar videos. But it's just up to you guys to actually go through it. You got questions? Ask me. Ask my analyst. He's a great trader. Me and him, we have similar trading techniques. We understand the market. We've been in your positions. I've been in your shoes before. I've been in them. And I don't want you guys to fail. Each and every single one of you that's watching this, maybe hearing me out, you're not a student of mine, doesn't matter. I want you to succeed. But to become successful in this market, you need to understand the psychology of it. I hope that helps some of you guys out. Guys, I want the best for you when it comes to trading. There's no other trading team out there that wants better. I want you to quit that 9-to-5 job that you've been hating the past 4 or 5 years, maybe year that you've been working there. Maybe your boss is just chewing you out every day, telling you can't be successful, you can't do what I do. You prove them wrong. Don't give up. Don't give up and going back to your 9 to 5. Be the trader you were meant to be. All right, guys, I'm out. Thank you for tuning in. I hope some of you guys really took that in consideration and really listened to this, because I truly want the best for all of you. Let's freaking roll, baby.